babies, your girl's back with another video. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell their mother and them that we lit over here, y'all, because you know your girl really appreciate it. And y'all got a little package, a little situation. Let's get into it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So, you know, I'm trying to make sure I'm not cutting anything. Hold on, my address showing. Come on now. Alright. Oh, I remember this purse. Y'all, this is so cute. I got this because it kind of looks similar to a bag that I purchased. If y'all seen this in the last video, not the same color, but definitely similar. Definitely similar. They're quilted purple Chanel dupes, and this one has the turn lock on it. And this is more of a lilac color. That one is like a purple color. And it comes with a filler. We love a filler because we want to keep the shape of our bag. And this one actually also comes with like a ball and chain. So it actually comes with, how do you put this on? Yeah, I don't know how you put this on. Ooh. Hold on, you probably right. Put it through there. Put it through there. I'm gonna figure it out. And maybe, I don't know. Maybe it go like that. Yep. Maybe it go like that. Not sure. Y'all, I don't know. Don't get me on here lying. It doesn't have Chanel logos on here. It doesn't have any pockets in the inside. You see the inside is just black color, and it doesn't have any pockets. It's a little smoosh right here, but that's nothing that the bag filler can't, you know, do with, you know, with some wear, and it can, you know, shake the bag, or you can get an insert. So y'all, I'm probably like, come on. So this bag is actually a twinning bag. Even though they're not identical, they're similar. So this is the bag for me, but this is a twinning bag. Because y'all know we be doing our little twinning series. And for this one, you're just going to put hashtag. Yeah, I'll be looking around my table to see what word I can use. Hashtag off the wall. And y'all, I'm looking at this Vans sticker and it says off the wall, so that's the only reason why I just say that. So it's going to be hashtag off the wall. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you watch the video. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you're following my Instagram. If you have Instagram, it's at Rare Secrets. If you don't have it, that's fine. Tomato. But definitely make sure you follow those. Hashtag off the wall. Everything will be in the description as far as the rules. Y'all know I usually take 2 to 3 weeks. Then I'll let y'all know who the winner is. But this is a twinning. You know, we gotta get that unvented. Hold on, let me see something. Oh, okay, there we go. So I was about to say. Okay, there we go. It's a little better. It's a little better. A little small imperfection, but it's still wearable. So make sure you follow the rules, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.